Okay, what I want to point out in this video, just quickly, is the difference between compost worms and in there is what we call our farmer's friends worms, or a native species that humifies soil immediately. So the difference being, this is compost worm bedding, and as you can see, there's a lot of worms there. The bedding is loose, friable, highly fertile, but virtually no structure, in that it is very sandy type material, or loose and friable. In this material across here, it looks loose and friable on the surface, but underneath I will have great difficulty, some difficulty digging into it, because it is structured soil, and you see how it all comes up in a big blogs, in lumps. And you can see there's one of our native worms, locally known as snake worms, and they create worm cast like this, which is all quite highly structured. We'll have a look in this next video at what it looks like when we tip the whole lot out. This is the material tipped out of that crate. You can see very clearly how well structured that is. That, by the way, is pure humus. That was created in about 4 weeks from about 150 of these worm species, which is fairly easy to attain in a farm situation, to get 150 worms per quarter of a square metre, which is about 600 worms per square metre of surface area. This is what you wish to obtain in many farming situations, particularly in sugarcane farms. This is the perfect structured soil of pretty close to 100% humus, and that can be achieved within a very short period of time, utilising the correct worm species and going about with our correct protocols. Thank you. The sort of time frame we're looking at in reductions from typical regenerative agriculture to get these type of soils normally would take 10 to 20 years using a fairly regimented regime in regenerative agriculture. We believe we can reduce those timeframes down to about 2 to 5 years in normal agriculture, utilising our protocols and our worm systems that we've developed. So that's a reduction of 5 to 10 times time frame. So I hope this was of interest to you. Thank you.